just for fun. JK was sitting nervously in front of a deadly dangerous mafias and his family along with his family. Mr. Spock, it's a pleasure for us to be your family as to be your mistaken. JK mom said that as they were fixing JK's marriage with Kim Taeyong, the merciless mafia. It was heartbreaking for both of the families and Mr. Kim looked whole responsibility of JK's family on his shoulder. JK mom wanted Jungkook to fulfill JK's father's last wish and Jungkook could not deny for it as JK loved his father so much. Mr. Park, I hope everything will be arranged soon. Mr. Kim, don't worry about the arrangement, Mr. Park. It will be grand no matter what. JK dad was mafia and Taeyong is also a mafia. JK knew him from childhood, both never had a proper conversation. And after high school, he went to abroad and JK continued his life here. So the marriage was held in quiet rush, but it was a grand, just like JK have always dreamed about his marriage. But the only thing that was carrying was Kim Taeyong. It was the time for JK's and Jungkook had already changed his bedding gown as it was too heavy and uncomfortable and took a shower and wearing a comfy pajamas. The water was dripping from JK's hair and JK sat on the bed when Taeyong entered the room. So now my room is not only mine, he said, looked at JK while taking off his coat. JK and Taeyong, now why are you all these years, he said, unbuttoning his shirt. JK, I was good. How were you? Just fine. Did you ever miss me? He looked at JK with so much hope. JK, we aren't that close, so time. But